Hello, what about MS Access? Let me explain the difference between MS Excel and MS Access. And then let's have an example how to start with MS Access. You know how to work with MS Excel, you do, no? It's easy, just type in some numbers, press the total button, see the results, mark the area and print it out. That's it, MS Excel explained in 3 seconds. What about MS Access? It's similar, just the objects and processes are a bit more separated. Let's start the program. Click on the Start button, click on the icon and what to do next? Where do I have to click? What's the next step? There's nothing explained. That's right. For MS Access, you first need the idea, the kind of tool you want to make. Let me give you an example idea. Something quite easy. I want to insert and manage customer data and print out the data in a customer report list. Here's the layout of the idea. For small ideas, there's no need for the layout, but for complex ideas, as you will see, it's necessary. Next step is to transform the idea into an MS Access Office tool. What are the steps? First, you make a table to store the customer data. Click on Create, go to the Table area, click on Table Design, put in the fields and data types and you have your table for the customer. Next step, make a form to work with the customer data. Again, create form area, form design and make the form for the customer. Last step, to have the report. Again, go to Create, go to the report area, click on Report Design and make your report list as you want. That's it. It's really easy. With MS Access, you can make Office tools to manage customer data, orders, write invoices, keep track of sales information. Besides this easy example, MS Access is made for more complex ideas too. Let me show you another example. I want to manage customer and contact data and need a tool for inquiry, order, delivery, invoice, payment and controlling. The layout for this is a bit more complex. Here it is. You can see the objects and some relations between them. The next step is again to make the objects in MS Access and some necessary programming with VBA. For the ready-to-use application, this video is too short. When you want to have such a tool, just write me an email. Do you want to make such kind of MS Access applications by yourself? Okay, register and learn MS Access. With our e-learning courses, you can start making Office tools after 3 days of learning. Like the video? Click like and subscribe and have some more. Thank you for watching.